In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Google Forms look amazing. Start by creating a brand new Google form. A fresh form gives you a clean layout to work with, and it is the easiest way to make sure everything looks consistent as you build. Once the form opens, you will see your first question card ready to edit. Click directly on the text that says Untitled Question. As soon as you click in that area, you can type your question. Keep your wording clear and specific, since this is what people will read first. If your form is for collecting information, use simple language and avoid extra words so the question looks clean and professional on the page. Next, look for the question type menu. It usually shows multiple choice by default. Click that multiple choice dropdown and choose the type that matches what you need. This is an important part of making your form look polished, because the right question type makes it easier to answer. For example, use multiple choice when you want one selection, or choose another type if you need something different. Now move down to the answer choices. Click where it says Option 1 and type your first answer. Aim for consistent formatting across your options, such as starting each option with a similar word style and keeping them roughly the same length when possible. This helps the whole form feel intentional and well-designed. To add more choices, click Add Option. Each time you add an option, enter the next answer choice the same way. Keep your options in a logical order, and make sure they are easy to scan quickly. That small detail can make the form feel smoother and more professional for anyone filling it out. When your question is ready, go to the bottom right of the question card and turn on the required toggle. This makes the question mandatory, which is helpful when you need complete responses and you do not want people to skip key items. When you are ready to share, click Publish in the top right. Then choose the link icon, which is typically the middle tab in the sharing options. Click Copy to copy the form link so you can paste it wherever you want to share it. That covers everything you need to know.